I've been in the industry and I've been a chef for, well, over 20 years. It is my profession, but at the same time it's also my hobby. I love food in general. I love the cooking, I love the preparing it. At the same time I also really enjoy going to a nice restaurant, enjoy a beautiful meal prepared by very talented chefs. The time I fell in love with food was really because of my mom. My mom cooked beautiful dishes at home. At an early age I knew that, being in the kitchen, I just loved it. I love seafood, and that's really because I come from an area with a lot of seafood, and I love fishing as well. So when I go fishing, I catch a decent sized sea bass. It of course comes home, and I'll prepare it nicely for my family. Uniworld really offers an international cuisine, but with a focus on really the regions where we bring our ships. Working with international crew from all these beautiful countries, they keep on inspiring me because they are, enthusiastic about their cuisine and tasting that, and yeah, I just think that is fantastic too. So when you come on board our ships, you will find on each ship a different menu adjusted to the region where they are. My food philosophy is really, don't make it too complicated, simple, fresh,